In the vast gallery of nature's creations, some animals capture our curiosity more than others, while many remain shrouded in mystery. Today, we dive into the world of the axolotl, a strange and enchanting creature whose story of eternal youth fascinates scientists and animal lovers alike. Picture an amphibian born in the ancient lakes of Mexico, a survivor from a time long forgotten. Unlike most amphibians, the axolotl never leaves its watery home or sheds its larval form, a phenomenon called neoteny. This refusal to grow up isn't just quirky, it's a survival trick honed over millennia. In the wild, its lake habitat teemed with dangers, yet this little oddball thrived. Imagine having the power to stay young forever. How does that even work? Here's where the axolotl turns into a real-life superhero. It can regenerate almost any part of its body, limbs, heart, even parts of its brain. Scientists are obsessed with this ability, studying it to unlock secrets that could one day help humans heal. This tiny creature bridges the gap between nature's wonders and modern breakthroughs. In captivity, the axolotl's charm shines even brighter. With its goofy grin and feathery gills, it's become a beloved pet for exotic animal enthusiasts. This scene reminds us that even the strangest creatures can find a place in our hearts and our homes, showing how adaptability turns survival into stardom. But the axolotl's story isn't all sunshine. Its natural habitat in Mexico is vanishing, drained, polluted, and invaded by non-native species. This struggle mirrors the challenges many exotic animals face today. Can this resilient survivor beat the odds once more? Hope isn't lost. Conservation efforts are fighting to save the axolotl, breeding them in captivity and restoring their habitats. This tale teaches us that even the most unusual creatures have a shot at a comeback. In a world of change, the axolotl's story is a call to marvel at nature and protect it. The axolotl's journey is a reminder of nature's endless surprises. From its ancient roots to its role in science and our homes, this quirky amphibian shows us that even the oddest traits can hold incredible power. In a world full of mysteries, embrace the weird and wild. There's always more to discover. If the axolotl's magic sparked your curiosity, subscribe to Animal Lives for more exotic animal adventures. In faith, bloom eternal hope amid ruins dust.